In this video, we're going to go over a trade setup that I called out for free publicly on my Instagram story. And we're going to go over why I took this trade, when I took this trade, and what made me post this trade on my Instagram story for free for the public to see. I am taking on this trade. As I was taking this trade, I had very high confirmation that this trade was going to hit my take profit level. So I decided to release it for my followers. My followers show me support, so every now and then I give out a free trade setup that will most likely hit TP, and this one for sure did. So let's not waste any more time. I'm going to show you all the proof and my post that I'm talking about. Immediately when I got in the setup, I posted beforehand on my Instagram story. I put out my stop loss level, I put out my take profit level, and by the next trading day, we hit a 2R risk to reward ratio on the free trade setup that I gave away on my Instagram for free. If you go to my testimonial highlight on my Instagram, you can still see that the story I posted and afterwards it hitting take profit. All of that is on my Instagram. You can go check it out for yourself. If you guys don't know who I am, I go by AYN Trades. I am a funded trader by FTMO, TopStep, and many other firms. I trade my own capital, and I've been trading for almost 6+ years. If you follow my Instagram, you can catch these trades with me. You don't want to miss the next trade, so go ahead and give my Instagram a follow because I will be posting more free trades in there for my followers to take advantage of. You can get a sneak peek into more of my personal life, travels, whatever it is. So make sure to check it out, and let's not waste any more time and get straight to the trade. All right, guys, without further ado, this is the trade that I posted on my Instagram for free, okay? Now, as you can see, this is AYN Trades. This is my Instagram. I'm in my personal archive, and I'm going to show you here, view archive, and you can see all the stories that I have posted previously. And let's get into the time where I took this trade and I alerted it. Let me pause this so you can see. And I alerted it on my Instagram story. As you can see that I am getting triggered in some Bitcoin long. So yes, I was trading crypto because I was seeing that we have broken structure right here. As you can see, we have broken structure right there, and we have retraced holding these imbalances right here. We held all of these imbalances right here, and then we continue moving forward. Now, after we came back, we see that we have these imbalances also right here, and the 4-hour imbalance was essentially what I was targeting. Now, if you can see on the left-hand side that I alerted the same trade. This is the exact trade that you're seeing right here, that we hit take profit and then we sold off, but it doesn't matter because we already hit take profit. So our exit was literally perfect, and a lot of my followers took advantage of this trade. Now I'm going to break this trade down, but if you see on the left hand side, I posted this way before it was even anywhere near this high that we're looking at right now. Okay, now if we take a look at what ended up happening, I posted it here on January 11th, and by January 12th, it hit my entire take profit. Come on, I gave out that trade yesterday, and that's exactly where it took me. Now, there you go. I'm gonna pause this real quick. So 3 days ago, I posted this on January 11th. And then on the next day, we hit take profit straight to my level that I pointed out. Now for the trade breakdown, I'm going to go over exactly why I took this trade and how you can replicate it. And if you like this type of content where I'm showing all the proof, I'm giving out trades beforehand for my followers to literally make money for free, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel because you never know. I might drop a free trade over here. If you're not following me on Instagram already, you don't want to miss it here. Let's just get straight into the breakdown. Okay, so we have this Bitcoin long that we took right here overnight, that we took this trade. We took this trade around, I believe it was right here that we took this trade actually, and we had our stop loss right here, and we took this trade after the market closed, and I was expecting for this swing high right here to get taken out before we see a flush down, and we did see a flush down because we exited perfectly at the top here, and the rest is history. Right now Bitcoin is all the way over at 100k, and actually this was my final target because if you see on the 4-hour, we had this huge imbalance right here that we needed to get filled before we can think about selling off. I wanted to see it come all the way over here and then maybe sell off, which we don't know yet. We're waiting for tomorrow to see, but we still hit this trade and our followers made money. It was all over Instagram. And as you can see, as soon as we broke structure, we failed to take out this low and we were waiting to take out this high. So after we closed above, which showed confirmation in the bullish strength, we see a lot of consolidation, meaning that it doesn't really want to go down, yet it hasn't made that move to go all the way up to my take profit. I saw this consolidation and I was like, okay, this thing is trying to go up. We entered over here and we hit take profit. It was a beautiful trade. We went into some drawdown, but I know how much this 4-hour imbalance holds strength wise, because this is it's a 4-hour imbalance. I know that if I'm wrong, I will be wrong, but if it goes below that, then the trade is invalid and I get stopped out. But this trade ended up working out perfectly fine. And this is the beauty of trading, because that's exactly how I trade. And if you see on the daily time frame, we had a lot of these imbalances right here. This gap between this wick and this wick, those are imbalances, and there was 2 back to back. So I was basically aiming for it to come up all the way over here, which we have exceeded all the way over at 100K. And looks like we're seeing a complete fill of Bitcoin at 100K, and maybe we sell off, maybe we don't. But if we do, I would like to see a sell-off coming right here and not go over here. But other than that, we still had the bias spot on. We took these lows, we consolidated over here and just straight up. Okay, but the initial bias was clearly there to be bullish for the short term. And pretty much I was confident enough that, hey, I'm going to give out this trade to my followers. Okay, that takes a lot of respect. I'm putting my entire respect on the line just so you guys can see that I really do this, and I am confident enough to call out trades for free just in my followers, because you know, as soon as you lose a trade, these guys are like, oh, this guy's a scammer. So you can't really say much now, since I'm literally handing out trades to you guys for free. All the course selling BS, I don't want to hear it. Okay, if you guys want access to more trades like this, you guys can check the link out in my bio, follow my Instagram, and DM me for the live trading room. You can get access to all my trades every day. You can get access to all my FTMO trades, all my funded capital trades. You can DM me on Instagram and we can see what we can do for you to reach profitability in 2025 and have a strong edge just like me. So if you guys are liking the content, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I will see you in the next video.